Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Friday, May 21st, 1999, 8 am. The earth has its own laws, which you cannot understand. They are beyond your understanding. We have already alluded to this issue. Your incarnations on the earth correspond to a stage of your evolution. To perfect one's work, it is necessary to go through all kinds of situations and multifaceted characters. You thus have the opportunity to work on your weak points. Sometimes you miss the opportunity offered to you to advance. You will have to restart time and again. The great sages also had incarnations as brigands before reaching the state of perfect. Such an amount of dregs had to be cleaned off to arrive at this stage. A sanguinary dictator also will have the opportunity to come back as a benefactor of humanity to settle his accounts. It is not as simple as that. These are by and large the opportunities offered to humans, but how long will it take him to reach this stage? The divine laws are always right. There is no final ranking with the goodies on one side and the baddies on the other. Where would lie mercy, forgiveness, and divine love for all his creatures? Any soul can evolve and redeem itself. Otherwise, we would be in sad system with all human faults. Who is perfect here below? Each one must be blessed with the opportunity to reach perfection, even though this may require very many lives. Never be in judgment. Pray for all your brothers without distinction. All these rules are beyond you. Your views are too much limited. Care more about your own life than other people's lives. The intentions of God are unfathomable. Do not meddle with them. All will be well. You have enough to do with yourself. Babuji. Friday, May 21st, 1999, 10 am. Beware of your reasoning. Even if you believe you are intelligent, humble yourself by seeing yourself as limited to a very small sphere. All your beautiful essays on such and such life aspects are questionable. Do not have too many illusions about your own person. We watch over you as parents do with their children, and your small simplistic theories make us laugh, even if you believe you have discovered the Alpha and Omega. It is good to analyze, to reflect on all that surrounds you and on what you do not understand, but don't have final opinions and don't believe you hold the truth. You would be completely mistaken. Meditate well on all that, and above all, remain simple. Babuji. Saturday, May 22nd, 1999, 8 am. The medium says, Babuji, living a cloistered life is one thing. Not being able to communicate with you because of all these scary medicines is something else. I would be very unhappy. Be serene about that. We have a good channel. We are not going to give it up. Keep faith in us. Your life, like that of your fellow creatures, is like a play where scenes are created with well linked images so that the film is created from start to finish. There are various sequences in close succession that form a coherent whole in line with what was planned by the film director. The last part of this film is important for you. You must play tight. You are not a medium by chance. The gifts bestowed on you for a long time allow you to help the others. It is your way of existing and doing what you are doing in this moment, being our preferred scribe. Therefore, smile through your tears. Keep a cheerful heart like a child. You know that the heart's simplicity and purity attract grace. Do not change. Endure valiantly. We admire. Never let the best in you be weakened. Babuji. Saturday, May 22nd, 1999, 10 a.m. When you come to join us, you will be amazed to see the true face of those you knew and loved. You will have pleasant surprises. Your life is heavy to bear in some aspects, but you will realize that you were surrounded by beings of exception and you did not know it. The apparent simplicity of a person can hide treasures of a very great value. You have been very lucky on this plane. She who gave you birth is very luminous. Her courage and pragmatism in this incarnation had helped you to shape yourself and to have your feet firmly planted on the ground. It is what I wanted to give you as a present today by highlighting the situation of your then mother. Don't be sad by thinking of her sufferings, which have become yours today. You believed you understood her. It is by experiencing things in one's own flesh that one can really know. You all, one day or another, you will be confronted with the true suffering, yours or that of a loved one. It is in these difficult moments that life takes on its full meaning. You realize your limits, your helplessness to control certain situations. You become aware of the precariousness of life. While suffering in your body, you suffer in your soul. You become aware of other people's misery. The creature is weak and helpless in the face of ordeals. The only recourse is God. He is all powerful. The only law to be respected in all circumstances is His. Because remember, all is nothing. God is all. Babuji.